Mastering Political Vocabulary. Unveiling the Oligarchy. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today, we're venturing into the exciting world of government and politics. Our topic of discussion is a particular type of political system, the oligarchy. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what oligarchy means, but you'll be able to use it in sentences and even discuss its implications. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an oligarchy? An oligarchy is a type of government where power is held by a small group of people. These individuals might be distinguished by royalty, wealth, education, corporate, religious, or military control. The term oligarchy is from the Greek words oligos, which means few, and archane, meaning to rule or to command. To better understand oligarchy, let's look at some examples. In the ancient city-state of Sparta, ruling power was held by a small group of 2 kings and 28 elders, all of whom were over 60 and belonged to the aristocracy. In modern times, some argue that Russia under Vladimir Putin displays some characteristics of an oligarchy, with power concentrated among a small group of business magnates and political elites. It's important to differentiate oligarchy from other political systems. An oligarchy is different from a democracy, where power is held by the people and leaders are elected through free elections. It's also different from a monarchy, where one king or queen holds the power, and power usually transfers through heredity. Now that you're familiar with the term oligarchy, let's practice using it in sentences. You could say, for example, critics argue that the country's government is turning into an oligarchy, with the wealthy having more and more influence. Another example could be, the ancient city-state of Sparta was an example of an oligarchy. There you have it, language learners. You've just expanded your professional vocabulary with the term oligarchy. Understanding these terms not only enhances your language skills but also deepens your understanding of the world around you. Keep practicing and remember, learning is a lifelong journey. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.